Hey there app developers and entrepreneurs, welcome back to the channel. So, are you thinking or are you looking to build your own successful application in 2025? Then you are in the luck today. So, I'm Shruti and today I'll be sharing secret tips of building a successful and profitable application. But before that, if you are new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. So, let's get started. Building a profitable app in 2025 requires to identify the real problems in the market and create an application which is going to solve all these problems. And if we talk about the data, then the Indian app market is expected to grow to 2,35,000 crores by the end of 2025, which means there's a lots and lots of potential and opportunities for new applications in the market. Yes, the development cost of building an application is going to vary on different things, different factors like complexity of the application, features, technology and so on. But if you have your own application, you are going to generate a huge amount of revenue, maybe from in-app purchases, advertising, affiliate marketing and so on. So now if you want to build your own successful and profitable application, let's understand the tips, very important tips, one by one. First is app idea and market research. So what problem is your application going to solve? Who are your target audience and what are their pain points? So here, for building a successful and profitable application, you need to understand your users in the best way. You need to see that what problem your application is going to solve, and you have to create an application that really solves a problem in the market. And talking about market research, you have to do a proper market research even about your competitors so that your application can stand out in the whole crowd. Second is building MVP and early traction. So here, once your app idea and market research is ready, it's time to start building your own MVP, that is minimal viable product. So your MVP should include core features of your application which are going to provide user value to your users. And here you should have a solid marketing strategy in place to promote your application and get early traction. Third is formula for building a profitable application. So what's the formula for building a profitable app? It's simple. Here you should build an application which solves real problems of your targeted audience, which provides value to your users and which generates revenue through sustainable business models. Here the popular revenue generation strategies which you can use are advertising, subscription-based model, affiliate marketing and so on. Fourth is measuring success and scaling your application. So now your application is launched, it is very important and very essential to measure the success of your application and scale so that you can reach wider audience. Here you have to track your performance of the application regularly, you have to update your application regularly, you have to see your users feedback and you have to update accordingly by adding new features and fixing all the bugs. And if we talk about scaling, then you can use various marketing strategies to scale your application like content marketing, influencer marketing, social media marketing and even paid advertising to scale your application and reach wider audience. And here, by continuously measuring and improving your application, you are making your application much more profitable and you are being future ready. Your future, you are going to get long-term success for your application. So there you have it, the secret of building profitable application in 2025. And now, if you seriously want to build your own successful application, then feel free to connect to us because here in our company, we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and right now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. So if you want to contact us, our contact number is given here. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can visit our website which is linked in the description, and our contact number is also linked in the description. And right now, let me tell you that we are providing you 20 minutes free consultancy services so that you can know where to start from. Thank you and we'll meet in the next video.